Hello everyone, welcome back to Teeinblue Update Feature video. This is Lexi. Today I'm going to show you how to use the most of these latest updates. We're gonna check in three latest personalization options, which are Scrabble, spiral text, vector personalize, and a new way to set up the condition setting within the artwork. And there are two other updates from the storefront, especially in the cart page and from Shopify orders. Now let's dive in. You may notice that the Scrabble or crosswords are very trending this sales season. Basically, customer can enter some words or some names, and all of them can be automatically rendered into a Scrabble like this. We not only support the English characters but also the non-English characters. Let's give it a try. Enter. And it may take a few seconds to generate the word in the live preview. Customer also have the option to choose the background of the cell and change the font family and the text color. If you only want to enter one word only, we also can support that in the types of the Scrabble. So try to enter the dark name, and there we go. So we already have a video to show you detailed instruction how to create a Scrabble. Make sure to check it out. Let's move to the second personalization option, spiral text. If you want, customer can transform a paragraph or a lyric from like this into a spiral text. You can copy this text and enter it here. Customer also have the option to choose the direction, either it can be inner or outer. Let's check how you can create it within Teeinblue app. I will open the artwork here. If you want to add a spiral text into your artwork, you can click on plus button and choose the spiral text here. Within the spiral text layer, you can have the option to enter some default text, choose the inner radius and the text direction. There's one more update within the artwork is the condition setting. So previously, we only had one condition for one layer only, but now you can add multiple condition for a layer. Make sure to choose the correct condition, either and or all for your layer. The last personalization option update is the vector. If you need a high resolution of the production file and you do not want to worry about the quality loss of the image type, and now you can use the vector instead. If you go to Assets, you can see the vector category here, which you can upload the vector image the same ways as you upload the clip art. And let's go to Campaign and see how you can upload it in the artwork. Just click on the plus button, choose dynamic vector, and then upload your SVG or EPS image to your artwork. You will have the option to choose a personalized setting as a vector that you just upload, or you can also enable the setting for customer to change the vector color. Let's see how it works. Here's the clip art of the vector image, and now customer can change the image color right here. That's all of the updates within our app. So now let's go to your store and check on the cart page. Here's the cart page. So you may see that the preview design button is already there, and if customer check on the preview and they do not like it and now they want to change some of the detail within the artwork, so you can offer customer the edit design button here so they can change all the personalized detail directly in the cart page. So this one may require a little bit tech skill. So if you cannot do it, feel free to reach out to our tech team. We are here to help. And the last but not least is the update from the Shopify order. If you want to go to order from one Shopify order, you can click on more option here and click on view order in Teeinblue. And then if you click here, the order portal from Teeinblue will show up. And that is a wrap. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about our latest update or if you have any requests, feel free to leave them in the comments. We will check it out and give you the best answer. Thank you and see you next video.